Over 60? Don't miss this vital vitamin for muscle strength. There's something quietly happening inside our bodies after the age of 60, something most people don't even notice. Muscle strength doesn't just decline with time. It gets drained by invisible deficiencies in your daily diet. Have you felt weaker without knowing why? Legs tiring easily, feeling unsteady when standing up, or hands and feet becoming less agile, even though you're still eating normally? The truth is that over 80% of older adults lack at least one of 6 key nutrients that muscles need to stay strong, recover well, and resist degeneration. And if you don't replenish them in time, it can lead to overall muscle weakness, poor balance while walking, higher risk of falls, and losing independence. But the good news is, with just a few simple changes in your daily nutrition, you can significantly improve muscle strength in just a few weeks. In today's video, we'll uncover 6 essential nutrients to protect your muscles after 60, and the easiest ways to get them into your routine. If you want to stay strong, live independently, and keep your vitality well beyond your 60s, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone you love. Because taking care of your health after 60 isn't just a choice. It's a right you fully deserve. Part 1. CoQ10. The spark that wakes up your sleeping energy engines. There's something few people over 60 are told. The daily fatigue you're feeling might not be due to age. It might be because the energy engines inside your muscles have started to lose their fire. These engines, called mitochondria, produce the energy your body needs to walk, lift your arms, or stand steady. But after 60, their activity slows down. And when that happens, your body can feel like a battery running low, still functioning, but everything becomes harder, slower, and more exhausting. That's when CoQ10 steps in like a spark. CoQ10, or coenzyme Q10, is a natural compound that helps mitochondria create energy for your muscles. But as you age, your levels of CoQ10 decrease. And if you're taking cholesterol-lowering drugs, like statins, your CoQ10 levels can drop even faster. If you've noticed weaker limbs, tiring more easily when walking, or simply feeling drained even after a full night's sleep, that could be your body signaling a CoQ10 deficiency. The good news is, CoQ10 can be easily replenished through foods like sardines, salmon, beef, or with supplements in the form of ubiquinol, which is better absorbed by older adults. Before starting any supplement, always consult your doctor, especially if you're on medication. But with just a small daily change, you can help reawaken your muscle energy, feeling strong and vibrant again, like the best version of yourself from years gone by. Part 2. Vitamin D, the silent stabilizer in every step you take. When your steps begin to feel unsteady, when you rise from a chair and feel yourself wobble, or when something deep inside tells you you're just not as grounded as before, what you're missing may not be strength, but sunlight. Vitamin D, often known as the bone vitamin, is quietly one of the most crucial factors in helping your muscles stay balanced and coordinated. Inside each muscle cell are special receptors designed just for vitamin D. These receptors help your muscles receive the right signals to contract and relax at the right moment, so you can walk steadily without even thinking about it. But after 60, vitamin D levels in your body drop rapidly, especially if you don't get much sun or if you have darker skin. And when this deficiency goes unnoticed, you might start to feel your legs weakening, your balance slipping, or even stumbling in moments that used to feel effortless. To restore that stability, start with gentle steps. Spend 10 to 15 minutes in early morning sunlight. Add fatty fish like salmon, eggs, or vitamin D fortified milk to your meals. And if needed, talk to your doctor about supplementing 800 to 2000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, the most absorbable form for your body. Don't wait until you fall to find your footing. By proactively replenishing vitamin D, you're quietly strengthening your legs and protecting the confidence that age should never take away. Part 3. Vitamin B12. Deficiency. When the connection between nerves and muscles starts to fade. Have you ever felt your legs weakening without any clear reason? Even without much activity, you notice a slight tremble, a growing uncertainty in each step. The culprit may be a tiny but crucial vitamin, vitamin B12. After age 60, your body's ability to absorb B12 drops significantly. The stomach produces less acid, and that acid is essential for unlocking B12 from food. To make matters worse, common medications like antacids or diabetes drugs can further deplete your B12 levels. Yet B12 is the key messenger between your brain and muscles. When you're low on it, nerve signals weaken, muscles react more slowly, and the result is numbness, shakiness, and balance issues that often go unexplained. The solution is simple, but it requires consistency. You can boost B12 by adding eggs, dairy, salmon, lean beef, or seaweed to your diet. For seniors, doctors often recommend sublingual tablets or nasal sprays, both absorbed directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system. The standard daily recommendation is around 2.4 micrograms, but older adults may need more depending on their medications and health conditions. So get tested and talk to your doctor to find the right dose for you. If you've ever felt unsteady on your feet, shaky without reason, or even forgetful, don't rush to blame it on aging. You may just be missing one tiny, powerful link between your brain and muscles, vitamin B12. Part 4. Vitamin C, the silent hero that protects your muscles. When people think of vitamin C, they usually think of boosting immunity or fighting colds. But the truth is, vitamin C plays a vital role in muscle health, especially after age 60. Did you know that your body cannot produce collagen without enough vitamin C? Collagen isn't just for firm skin. It's the structural support for your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. When you lack vitamin C, these tissues weaken, making muscles saggy, sore, and more prone to injury, even during light movement. But that's not all. Vitamin C also helps your body produce carnitine, a compound that transports fat into your cells to create energy. So if you often feel fatigued, struggle to maintain strength during light activity, you might be running low on vitamin C without realizing it. The good news? You can gently boost your vitamin C through everyday meals. An orange in the morning, a few strawberries mixed with yogurt, or a few slices of bell pepper at lunch. These are all natural, healthy, and easily absorbed sources of vitamin C. The minimum recommended intake is 75 milligrams per day for women and 90 milligrams per day for men. But for older adults, especially those who eat fewer fruits and vegetables, Many experts suggest 200 to 400 milligrams per day to better support muscle health. Your muscles need daily nourishment and protection, and vitamin C, quiet but essential, is the hero that helps you stay flexible, resilient, and steady with every step you take. Don't let your body go without it, not even for a single day. Part 5. Magnesium, the mineral that helps muscles relax and recover. Have you ever been jolted awake by a cramp in the middle of the night? Or felt completely drained, even after a day of doing almost nothing? These seemingly small signals might be your body's quiet way of telling you it's missing something essential. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral involved in over 300 metabolic processes in the body. When it comes to muscles, magnesium plays a special role. It helps them contract and relax smoothly, supports communication between the brain and your muscles, and fuels the energy your body needs for every step you take. When magnesium is low, cramps, muscle twitches, fatigue, even anxiety and trouble sleeping can all start to appear. And here's the tough part. The older you get, the harder it is for your body to absorb magnesium. Some of the most common medications used by older adults, like diuretics, antacids, or diabetes drugs, can also quietly deplete your magnesium levels without warning. But the good news is, you can turn this around, starting today. Add magnesium-rich foods to your daily diet. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, beans, dark leafy greens, oats, and if you like a treat, a cup of unsweetened cocoa, delicious and nourishing. The recommended daily intake is around 310 to 320 milligrams for women and 400 to 420 milligrams for men over 60. If you struggle to get enough through food, talk to your doctor about magnesium glycinate, a highly absorbable form that's gentle on digestion and less likely to cause side effects. Remember, strong muscles aren't just about how much you move. They're about how well you nourish them. And magnesium is one of the quiet but powerful caretakers your muscles depend on. Don't wait for your body to sound the alarm. Start caring for your muscles now, with small choices that carry great strength. Not just for athletes, but a quiet ally for those over 60. When you hear the word creatine, most people immediately think of athletes, bodybuilders, or intense gym workouts. But here's the truth. Creatine isn't just for the young. It's a powerful, underappreciated ally that can help adults over 60 maintain strength, recover faster, and live independently for longer. After the age of 60, our bodies gradually lose lean muscle mass, the very muscle that helps you stand up with ease, carry groceries without strain, or take a brisk walk without feeling exhausted. Creatine works by increasing your muscles' quick energy reserves, improving performance in everyday movements, and is especially beneficial when paired with strength-supporting activities like sit-to-stands, walking, or using resistance bands. Research shows that older adults who supplement with creatine and engage in light exercise see more noticeable improvements in strength and muscle mass compared to those who exercise alone. And the best part? You don't have to train like an athlete to benefit from creatine. Just 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate per day, paired with walking, gentle stretching, or basic strength movements, can equip your muscles with a silent weapon to fight age-related decline. Creatine is generally safe for most older adults. However, if you have kidney issues or take certain medications, it's best to consult your doctor before starting. Strong legs, energized muscles, a refreshed spirit. Sometimes one small change, like adding creatine, is all it takes to move through your later years with more control and confidence.